Hi, this is Neeraj Jaiswal and welcome to this episode. In this episode, I am going to tell you about a tool with which you can basically explore any SQLite database. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on the Google Chrome and search for DB browser for SQLite. It should come in your search result, and then you should make sure that it is sqlitebrowser.org. Click on it. It will take you to this website where you can basically download DB browser for SQLite for Windows, 32-bit, 64-bit, a portable version of the tool. Then you can also run Mac installer, and you can get the source file and also in the tar format. So the thing is that this is the tool which you will need so that you can explore the database which you will be creating in the this particular course. So I have already downloaded and installed this particular tool. So I'll just open that. This is the tool which is there. Now what you can do is if you want, you can open any existing database. So I'll open the database which has come up with the plugin, SQLite plugin, which we for Unity. So I'll just go there and search for the plugin. So here, this is the folder where it is there. I'll just open that plugins folder, and here in the streaming assets you can see there is a database. I'll just open that. So here is the database which is there. It is an existing database and it has got some existing data which this particular sample is going to use. So this is how basically you can explore a database using SQLite browser. So this DB browser for SQLite is an awesome tool which you can use. So that's all from my side in this particular episode. I'll see you in the next episode. Till then, keep rocking and happy coding.